Welcome back everyone. Today we learn about double fertilization. Let's look at how fertilization occurs in flowering plants in greater detail. The pollen grain is first transferred from the anther to a matured stigma. The sugary fluid of the matured stigma stimulates the pollen tube nucleus inside the pollen grain to grow a pollen tube into the style. The pollen tube nucleus, which is situated at the tip of the pollen tube, secretes enzymes to digest the style and absorb nutrients for the elongation of the pollen tube. The pollen tube continues to grow until it reaches the ovule through the micropyle. The pollen tube will then burst, releasing two male gametes into the ovule. One of the male gamete fuses with the ovum to form a zygote, which develops into the future embryo, while the other male gamete fuses with definitive nucleus to form an endosperm, which will be the food of the embryo when the seed germinates. So what happens after fertilization? There would be the formation of the seed and fruit. After fertilization, a series of processes occur before a fruit is ready for dispersal. Firstly, the petals, stamen, style will wither away, except the ovary. This leaves behind the sepal and ovary attached to the plant through the receptacle. Afterwards, the ovary will start to grow in size. The ovule inside the ovary will grow into a seed. An ovary with 6 ovules can therefore grow into a fruit with a maximum of 6 seeds only if at least 6 pollen grains of the same species manage to reach the stigma. One ovule contains one ovum, hence only one plant can grow from one seed. Over here, we have a summary of what happens to specific parts of the flower before fertilization, after fertilization, and after fruit development. That's all for today. Thank you for the effort to learn with me. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.